What advice do you have for those who want to be on the manager side? They want to be in the agent side, or maybe they even want to run their own management firm. What would you say to them at this point in the creator economy, 2024, getting ready to get into 2025? What would you say to them?
So I touched on it a lot, but the idea of like work-life balance is not something you should be seeking or looking for in this stage. You need to be all in and know that like it's a season of your life, it's a phase of your life, and if you really want it, you have to work really hard. And that's something that, scares off a lot of people, but that's kind of the point. That's like something's worth having, take hard work, and not everyone should get them. So I think knowing that if you want to be a manager, if you want to be working at a management company, starting a management company, these are all, everyone would do it if it was easy, and they're really hard things, and you're not going to have balance all the time. You're going to have really high highs, you're going to have really low lows. And obviously at a place like Select, we try to limit those so people can have the high highs without having too low of lows, and they can have balance. And like, I'm really proud that we've done, I think, 8 parental leaves for people going on maternity or paternity leave, where they've been able to take 6 months off, fully unplugged from work, have full coverage. Their roster wasn't affected. They made more money than ever. Like, those are the things that as a company we really try to do. And because we've achieved those levels of hierarchy that, we've met the basic needs, then we can focus on the balance and the maternity leave and paternity leave stuff. But when you're in it and you're boots on the ground, you're starting, you just need to be like laser focused on what you want and be the first person to be on, last person to log off. You really have to want it. And if you don't, that's totally fine. But just be honest with yourself on like, if you really do want it, you have to put in that work. And if you want something else, you have to maybe choose a different path or work somewhere that maybe the bar isn't as high and you can kind of get away with whatever. But hard work pays off. And when you care deeply about something, people know and they feel it and they want to help you and support you. So if you just show up every day with like the best attitude, leave your stuff at the door, be ready to work and give it your all, like you absolutely have such an opportunity. And there's, like you said, there's operators in the space, there are people that have been doing it, but it's still so young and we need more good, smart people that are ready to do the work. So I'm excited to see like the next group of people that come up, and I want to work with them and support them and have them at Select or invest in their companies or whatever it is. But I'm just excited to see, I love meeting some young person with hopes and dreams and hard work and like ready to go. So hopefully that all continues, and it will. But yeah, the hard work is the number one thing, and not taking no for an answer and being really determined and just waking up ready to go every day.